morning everyone. I am Kirti Sharma, your English teacher from Takshila Model Senior Secondary School. Student, today is 14th July 2020 and in this class I am going to teach you the chapter verbs. That is chapter number 10 in your grammar book. Students, in this class we will understand what are the verbs, what are the types of verbs and where we use the verbs. Students, before going to the definition, let us understand the verbs with the help of some examples. For example, catch, dance, pick, throw, jump. All these are what? All these are actions. Jump, if someone is jumping, that means the person is doing something. I catch a ball, मैंने एक बॉल को कैच किया. What I have done? I catch a ball. Another example is throw, kick. These all are what? These all are the action word. The other words or the whatever I said just now are these the action words. That is why these words are known as verbs. जो भी हमारे action words होते हैं या doing verbs होती हैं, those are known as verbs. So now come to the definition. A verb is a word that tell us something about a person or thing. Verb क्या करती है? जो verb होती है that tell us about something about a person or a thing. क्या बताती है? It tells us the physical action of a person, mental action, state of being or what a person owns. Let us understand all these terms with the help of example. For example, I ate a banana in my breakfast. So what in this sentence the word ate is what? The physical action. I ate a banana in my breakfast means a physical action occurred there. Means एक बनाना को खाया गया, मैंने एक बनाना को खाया, ये जो है एक फिजिकल एक्शन हुआ. Another is mental action. Mental action means whatever we do but we are not doing with our physical strength. For example, we guessed the answer correctly. In this sentence the word guessed is what? The word guessed in this sentence is mental action. State of being means, for example, whale is the largest mammal on the earth. In this sentence, the word is showing the state of being. In this sentence, कि जो whale है वो largest mammal है earth का, तो state of being show कर रहा है. What a person owns means possession. For example, Reena has a lovely bag. In this sentence, the word has is showing the possession or what a person owns. So when all these action performs, whether it is physical, whether it is mental, whether it is a state of being or what a person owns, all are the action words. That is why these all will call verbs. Correct? So now I hope you have understood what are the verbs. Verbs are the in simple language if I say verbs are the action words. जो आपके action words होते हैं वो आपकी verbs होते हैं. और एक sentence के there are different parts. If I take an example, Riya is eating a pizza. Right? So in this sentence, Riya is what? Riya is a subject. Is eating. In this sentence, the word eating is what? Action word. It is showing the physical action of Riya. So the word eating is verb in this sentence. What she is eating? Pizza. On which the action is being performed is known as object. That is why the word pizza in this sentence is an object. So in every sentence, it consists many parts or many things like subject, verb, object. Verb are of different types. वर्ब जो होती है वो डिफरेंट टाइप्स की होती हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज एक्शन वर्ब्स, सेकेंड इज लिंकिंग वर्ब्स, थर्ड इज helping verbs, then transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So students, in today's chapter we will try to cover all these verbs, or we will understand what are the action verbs, what are the linking verbs, what are the helping verbs, or what are the transitive verbs and what are the intransitive verbs. So let us understand all the verbs one by one. The first one is action verbs. What are the action verbs? Action means what a person is doing. Action verbs are the verbs that describe activities, action and happenings are called action verbs. In which we describe what? किसी भी verb में जब हम किसी भी person के actions को, happenings को and activities को, activities it could be related with the mental activity or it can be related with the physical activity. When we talk about the mental and physical activity, it is known as what? The actions. So action verbs are those words in which we describe the different activities, happenings and actions are known as action verbs. For example, let's eat bananas. In this sentence, what they want to do? Let's eat bananas. Eat. In this sentence, eat is what? Eat is an action. We shall celebrate Christmas today. In this sentence, the word celebrate is an action. So, it is showing the action verb कि हमें हमारा सेलिब्रेट जो क्रिसमस है उसको सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. इसमें ये चीज क्लियर हो रही है कि द पर्सन इज डूइंग समथिंग, मीन्स द पर्सन इज performing some activity, and basically in both the sentences it is showing the physical action of a person. Now linking verbs. What are the linking verbs? Linking verbs क्या होती हैं? Verbs that describe what someone or something is or is like are called linking verbs. In the linking verbs we use be forms. Be forms means like is, am, are, was, were, be, been and being. For example, look, smell, sound, grow, keep, remain. These all are what? These all are the being linking verb. When we link something with the other action. Linking verbs are also the ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स. जो लिंकिंग वर्ब्स होती हैं वो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स भी कहलाती हैं बिकॉज दे एक्सप्रेस अ स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, मीन्स व्हाट अ पर्सन इज और थिंग इज. जहां कहीं भी स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग को एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है वर्ब्स की हेल्प से, दोज आर नोन एज द लिंकिंग वर्ब्स. और व्हाट समथिंग और समवन इज लाइक. इन दिस काइंड ऑफ verbs these verbs are known as the linking verbs. Next is, friends, don't get confused with the linking verbs or action verbs because linking verbs are different from the action verbs. जो linking verbs होती हैं वो action verbs से different होती हैं because it does not really express an action. जो लिंकिंग वर्ब्स होती हैं वो एक्शन को जो है एक्सप्रेस नहीं करती हैं, बट जो एक्शन वर्ब्स होती हैं दोज वर्ब्स आर ऑलवेज एक्सप्रेसिंग द एक्शन. जो एक्शन वर्ब्स होती हैं वो एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करती हैं, बट जो लिंकिंग वर्ब्स होती हैं वो एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस नहीं करती हैं. इट डज व्हाट इट्स नेम सजेस्ट, मीन्स इसका नेम क्या सजेस्ट कर रहा है, ये वही करती है जो कि इसका नेम सजेस्ट कर रहा है, मीन्स लिंक. Linking verbs are the verbs which link something, like ये सब्जेक्ट को किसी भी नाउन या एडजेक्टिव के साथ लिंक करती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राधा इज वेरी एक्साइटेड टूडे, मीन्स इन दिस सेंटेंस व्हाट आई जस्ट स्पोक टू यू, राधा इज वेरी एक्साइटिंग टूडे. इन दिस सेंटेंस, एक्साइटेड टूडे, इन दिस सेंटेंस is the word is a linking वर्ब। इस सेंटेंस में इज क्या है? इज लिंकिंग वर्ब है। आई वॉज स्टडिंग इन द आफ्टरनून, सॉरी लिंकिंग वर्ब कि जहां पर भी इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर और बी, ये सारी चीजें जहां भी आएंगी वो आपका लिंकिंग वर्ब ही कहलाएगा। अनदर एग्जांपल, शी अपीयर्स हैप्पी। इन दिस सेंटेंस शी अपीयर्स हैप्पी। अपीयर्स मीन्स कोई वो खुश दिखाई दे रही है। अपीयर्स का जो वर्ड है यहाँ पर एक्शन है अपीयर्स, दैट इज लिंकिंग वर्ब। सो इज इट क्लियर टू यू ऑल कि लिंकिंग वर्ब जो होती है वो एक्शन वर्ब से डिफरेंट होती हैं। जो लिंकिंग वर्ब होती है वो किसी भी सब्जेक्ट को उसके एडजेक्टिव और या फिर किसी अनदर नाउन के साथ लिंक करते हैं, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज लिंकिंग वर्ब्स। अनदर इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स। नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर दी हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स। सो helping verbs are the verbs that are used with an action verb and help it to form tenses, ask a question, for suggestions or any other things we use. Helping verbs वो verbs होती है जो कि हम किसी भी action verb के साथ use करते हैं। किस लिए use करते हैं? To form tense, किसी भी action verb का tense को form करने के लिए, questions को ask करने के लिए और जनरली हम उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी को शो करने के लिए इन दीज केसेस वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स। हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स किस किस केसेस में यूज करते होती हैं? व्हेन वी आस्क क्वेश्चंस, व्हेन वी शो पॉसिबिलिटी, व्हेन वी शो नेसेसिटी एंड व्हेन वी फॉर्म टेंसेस। इन सच केसेस वी यूज व्हाट? वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I was studying in the afternoon. Another action verb is what is that here? Studying. Studying जो यहाँ पर है that is an action verb. So was is what here? Helping verb. जो action verb के साथ use होता है वो हमारा जो helping verb होता है। तो studying के साथ was use हो रहा है, that is why was is a helping verb here. Another example is, did you finish your homework? In this sentence, you did is what? Did is helping verb. But why we have used this did? Because with the help of this did, we have asked the question here. जब कभी भी हम किसी भी helping verb के help से question को ask करते हैं, in such cases the verb is known as helping verb. Another example is, I can finish my homework. In this sentence, can is what? Can is showing the ability or possibility of something. Someone can do something. So in this sentence, the word can is what? The word can is a helping verb. Now let us understand what are the transitive verb and what are the intransitive verbs. Now let us understand what are the transitive verbs and what are the intransitive verbs. I am just giving you one example. Try to understand this. Example is, the driver stopped. Right. Another example, the boy caught. Both the sentences are these sentences. Right. दोनों जो sentences हैं, those are sentences, but both the sentences are not complete. Because both the sentences require what? Require an object. If I suppose if I say the driver stopped the car, or in another example if I say the boy caught a ball. Now these two sentences are totally complete. Now दोनों sentences जो हैं अब complete हुए। पहले मैंने बोला the driver stopped. It is making sense but does not making complete sense. Sense तो बना रहे हैं but complete sense नहीं बना रहे हैं. That is why these sentences are incomplete. When we add object with these two sentences, these sentences will be complete. So when any sentence that requires an object is known as transitive verb. कोई भी सेंटेंस ऐसा जिसमें कि ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन होता है दैट इज नोन एज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, और वो वर्ब जिसमें कि ऑब्जेक्ट रिक्वायर नहीं होता और वी डू नॉट ऐड ऑब्जेक्ट विद द वर्ब इज नोन एज इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। मीन्स इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज जिसमें भी ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन होता है वो आपकी ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहलाती है, और जिसमें भी ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन नहीं होता है वो इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहलाती है। सो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स क्या, कौन सी वर्ब्स होती हैं? ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स यूजुअली नीड टू बी फॉलोड बाय एन ऑब्जेक्ट, बिकॉज जो आपके नाउन और जो प्रोनाउन है इसके बाद वर्ब आती है, और नाउन प्रोनाउन के बाद वर्ब के बाद अगेन वन मोर नाउन वी यूज, राइट। जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट होता है वो हमारा नाउन होता है, फाइन, प्रोनाउन भी हो सकता है। तो जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बाद वी यूज वर्ब, वर्ब के बाद अगेन व्हेन वी रिक्वायर एनी नाउन और प्रोनाउन इज नोन एज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। क्लियर? तो ट्रांजिटिव जो वर्ब होती है वो विद ऑब्जेक्ट ही कोई कंप्लीट सेंस बनाती है, जिसमें कि ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन नहीं होता और कंप्लीट सेंस भी नहीं बन रहा सेंटेंस का, दैट इज नोन एज ट्रांजिटिव verbs. Another is intransitive verbs. So an intransitive verb is an action verb that does not require any object. Transitive verbs जो होती है वो एक action verbs होती हैं, but इनमें हमें object की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, when we do not require an object. For example, Maya cried loudly. Maya cried loudly. In this sentence, cried, the word cried is what? Verb, but what kind of verb it is? It is intransitive verb, because cry के बाद हमने कोई भी noun या pronoun नहीं दिया, means कोई भी object given नहीं है. Another example is the birds flew away. Birds action is given. What the words have done? Birds flew away. Birds जो है वो उड़ गई, but where? It is not mentioned in this sentence. So these things or these kinds of verbs after which any object is not given is known as intransitive verbs. वो verbs जिनके की बाद में object given नहीं होता है वो आपकी intransitive verbs कहलाती हैं. Another example, he laughed again. Laughed is an action word here, but no object is given, means no noun or pronoun is given. That is why it is again the intransitive verb. Now let us do some exercise so that we can understand these verbs. Now let's do this exercise. This exercise is given in your book, and this is exercise number 2. Exercise number 1 you will do yourself. Yes. Exercise number 2. In the exercise number 2, you have to underline the transitive and intransitive verbs. तो कौन सी जो verbs है वो transitive है और कौन सी verbs है वो intransitive है, that you have to underline. So let's read sentence number 1. Don't speak loudly. The first sentence is what? Don't speak loudly. In this sentence, the word speak is what? The word speak is what? The word speak is an action verb and no object is given. That is why this is what? Intransitive verb. Another, stars twinkle at night, means object is given. So the word twinkle is action verb and this is object given. So this is what? Transitive verb. T. Next sentence is Priya wrote a long letter. कैसा लेटर लिखा? Long letter. So object given है. The action word is wrote. Long letter is an object. That is why it is what? Transitive verb. T. Another sentence. The boat sailed smoothly. The boat is noun here. Sailed is action verb and no object is given. So this is what? Intransitive. Another example, the children sat quietly. The children sat quietly. In this sentence, the children are the noun, sat action verb and no object is given, so intransitive verb. Is it clear to you all? मीन्स जिसके बाद जिस भी एक्शन वर्ब के बाद में ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन है दैट इज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, और ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो गिवन नहीं है दैट इज इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. रेस्ट ऑफ द एक्सरसाइजेस which are given in your book you will do yourself.